Top online earning streaming platforms, your path to financial freedom. Hey there, fellow content creators and aspiring online earners. Welcome back to Biz Level Up YouTube channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to explore, the best online earning streaming platforms. If you're looking to turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we break down the top platforms that can help you achieve financial freedom. Step 1. Host on camera. Before we dive in, let's briefly discuss what online earning streaming platforms are and why they matter. These platforms provide a space for creators like you to showcase your talents, connect with your audience, and make money doing what you love. Now, let's get into the platforms themselves. Step 2. YouTube. Our first contender is a household name, YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, it's a giant in the world of online content creation. YouTube allows you to monetize your videos through ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf integration. Plus, it's a great platform for building a loyal audience. Step 3. Twitch. Next up, we have Twitch, a live streaming platform primarily focused on gaming. However, it's also an excellent space for creative content creators. With features like subscriptions, bits, and donations, you can earn money while engaging with your audience in real time.
Got people on me. Dude, that is so annoying. Watch, he's gonna leave. Watch chat. Of course, he just had to die in the first 30 seconds. This is exactly why I hate random queuing, because they suck at the game and they have no mic.
Can you shut your ass up? Like, seriously, I'm trying to relax and play a game, and yo, annoying just won't shut up. I don't want to talk to you. I don't have to talk to you. I'm playing a game. Just shut up, okay?
Twitch also offers affiliate and partner programs with additional monetization options. Step 4, let's talk about Patreon. This platform allows you to create a membership-based community for your most dedicated fans. You can offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, and rewards to your supporters in exchange for a monthly fee, providing a stable income source. Step 5, Facebook gaming. Facebook gaming is another fantastic option, especially if you're already active on Facebook. It allows you to monetize your live streams and build a community around your gaming or creative content. With Facebook stars and brand collaborations, you can earn while connecting with your fans on a familiar platform. So, there you have it, some of the best online earning streaming platforms that can help you achieve your financial goals. But remember, success on these platforms doesn't come overnight. Here are some tips to get started. Consistency. Keep a consistent posting or streaming schedule to build and retain your audience. Engagement. Interact with your viewers, respond to comments, and make them feel valued. Diversify. Don't rely on a single platform. Explore multiple revenue streams to ensure financial stability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe Biz Level Up for more tips and insights on online earning. If you have any questions or want us to dive deeper into any of these platforms, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success on these amazing online earning streaming platforms. See you in the next video.